Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Bridgefy and granting the core permissions it needs. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location so your device is discoverable. This lets the mesh form. Next, create a simple display name and confirm notifications. Make sure airplane mode settings still allow Bluetooth. Now open the main screen and let the app scan. You should see nearby users appear. This quick start gets the network forming so you can send your first messages. You now set up conversations. Tap to start a one-to-one chat or create a group for multiple peers. Once created, choose the routing mode, BLE mesh for battery efficiency or Wi-Fi when available to optimize reach. When you send a message, the app uses nearby peers as relays. This is why placement and density matter. Make sure you include short messages and concise attachments so relays pass them quickly. Also adjust relay settings if you need fewer hops or longer range. You complete the session by verifying delivery icons and closing chats when done. This frees resources. Once finished, log out or simply stop broadcasting to conserve battery and update Bridgefy when prompted to keep protocol improvements. If messages fail or no peers appear, first toggle Bluetooth and location, then restart the app. Make sure permissions remain allowed. If problems persist, reboot your phone and check that other apps aren't blocking Bluetooth. This usually resolves the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.